This young Indonesian boy shows you how to buy Bitcoin.
I'm about to buy Bitcoin using the Fedi app. If you see here, there's a bunch of different options you can click on. To buy Bitcoin, you just need to click on this one, right?
Yeah.
So I just click this, and then I will deposit 25K. You can see the worth up here. So here, this is 25,000 rupiah, and I just click on this, and you see that there is a QR code that pops up, and I use an e-wallet to scan the QR code, right? Like this. So I scan it with the thing, and then I click on this and buy it. I just made a payment through the e-wallet, and now I'm going to copy this lightning address like this, and then I will go back, go to scan, and I'll paste it. It will say here that this is a lightning withdrawal. What do you want to withdraw? You click on continue, and then we just request it.
You just receive it.
We just receive it.
Okay, thank you. Done. Nice.